Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen. Well, today I have a delicious recipe. I am making my delicious low-calorie mac and cheese, comfort food. Yes, so a lot of people are afraid to eat comfort food because they're high in calories. My clients tell me all the time, I can't eat comfort food because I'm afraid not to reach my weight goal. Well, let me tell you that yes, you can eat comfort food, but you need to make it less caloric. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I have partnered with National Dairy Council to share with you today my delicious low-calorie mac and cheese. Not only is delicious, but it's also nutritious. Your entire family is going to love it. So, how I make a comfort food low-calorie? In this case, since it's mac and cheese, I've done a couple of things. One, I use less pasta, and I chose a pasta that is high in fiber and high in protein. And then I added vegetables, broccoli and cauliflower. But let me tell you, the taste is the same. Incredible. Now, because I added vegetables, I'm adding more nutrition. Vitamins, minerals as the plants bring, and dairy, of course, providing protein, B12, calcium, among other essential nutrients. Now, let me tell you, if you have kids, this is a great way to sneak in those veggies. Again, like I said, your entire family is going to love it. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. The first step is to preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remember, I have cooked the pasta previously, so do the same, follow the directions in the box. Now, in a 2-quart saucepan, combine the milk, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Let's whisk until it's smooth. Let's cook this over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture boils and thickens. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's ready, remove from the heat and then stir in the cheddar and mozzarella cheeses and mix them until almost melted. Once that's done, add the cooked pasta, broccoli and cauliflower to the cheese mixture and mix well. Spoon into the prepared baking dish and evenly sprinkle the panko bread, crumbs and parmesan on top. Bake these for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden on top. Did you know that dairy foods including cheese and milk contain the amino acids tryptophan and tyrosine? These amino acids are precursors to serotonin and dopamine, which play a valuable role in your pleasure and reward system. Talk about comfort food. Plus, carbohydrates, which are natural occurring in dairy foods like milk and yogurt, can support tryptophan's conversion into the mood-supporting serotonin. No wonder this comfort mac and cheese can support your mood. So look at this beauty. I love it. So now the best part, the taste. Let's have a little piece of cheese and macaroni. So good and meets all the requirements, not only nutritious, but also definitely is gonna feed your soul. This is comfort food and low calorie. Now it is your turn to make my low calorie mac and cheese. For more information, visit usdairy.com. And thank you for watching.